QD English learn with us.
English conversation practice. At the airport.
Listen and practice.
Good evening, madam. Good evening, madam.
Good evening. Good evening.
Can I see your passport? Can I see your passport?
Here you are. Here you are.
What's the purpose of your visit? What's the purpose of your visit?
I'm here on vacation. I'm here on vacation.
How long are you staying in the USA? How long are you staying in the USA?
I'm planning to stay here for 2 weeks. I'm planning to stay here for 2 weeks.
Where will you be staying? Where will you be staying?
In Los Angeles. At the Grand Hotel. In Los Angeles. At the Grand Hotel.
When are you leaving? When are you leaving?
I'm leaving on the 1st of March. I'm leaving on the 1st of March.
Have you visited the USA before? Have you visited the USA before?
No, I haven't. It's my first visit to the USA. No, I haven't. It's my first visit to the USA.
How much money do you have available for the trip? How much money do you have available for the trip?
I have around $3,000. I have around $3,000.
Do you have family or friends in the USA? Do you have family or friends in the USA?
No, I don't know anyone here. No, I don't know anyone here.
Enjoy your visit. Enjoy your visit.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm on vacation in the USA.